All right, y'all. Welcome back to class, to your Christ in Scripture class that is now going to be online because of the coronavirus and the things that are going on. So this video, what it is just an introduction to the online class, what to expect, and kind of introducing you to how we're going to do things, at least in this class. Hopefully, it's not too different than most of your other classes. And as you can see, I'm broadcasting from my home. This is my home computer here. We got Lord of the Rings in the background, little Rivendell where the elves live. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to actually fire up Canvas here. Okay, so we got Canvas, and we're in your course, Christ in Scripture. And you'll notice just a few changes, kind of clean things up a little bit. And one of the big things that I did differently now is that it's going to be in descending order, right? So rather than having the oldest stuff last, the oldest stuff, or you can say what's the newest stuff, really a better way to say it, is going to be first. Okay, so the unit we're currently working on, Unit 10, you'll see right here, Unit 10, Moses and Exodus, that's going to be what we're doing right now. And then every day there'll be a subheading with a section of activities and things to do relevant to that day's material. So today's our first day of class, so we're in 10.1, meaning the first day of class in that unit. Just because of some things that may happen, I'm not going to put the exact date, although everything will have a date on it. Anything that's due will have a date on it. But just in case things happen, you don't get confused, okay? So if you know that this is the first day of class, you should be doing Unit 10.1, okay? For each day, you'll see that there's going to be in Canvas a page set up with notes and videos just like this one. The videos being kind of the lectures, and then the notes kind of helping you through the material, right? There'll be a discussion for each day's lesson in case you missed the live chat, which I'll talk about in a second. If you miss the live chat, there'll be a discussion board. You can post a question, and I'll make sure to answer it within 24 hours before the next class, so that you're all caught up there. And then it's not published yet, so don't freak out. But there'll be some homework review questions at the end of each day's lesson, just to make sure that you did in fact watch the videos and things like that. Okay. And otherwise, it's basically the same. We probably will actually get more done because we won't have so many questions in time for question day. Jeremy, don't forget though, or I didn't forget, we will still have statement day as planned. You'll just have to do it over the discussion boards and chat, okay? But hopefully things go normal. My plan for the videos is basically that they be 5 to 8 minutes at the most. And probably 3 videos per class. Most studies show you really can't pay attention to things past about 5 minutes. So hopefully other teachers are doing the same thing and keeping these videos kind of short. The chat feature is down here in the left corner. And so during the actual class period, so we're in second period, during that period, I'll be available to you guys in the chat feature. And that way, if you have anything that you want to talk about during that period, I'll be available right then and there. But again, if you miss that chat window, I understand that might happen. Post a question on the discussion board, and I'll be happy to answer it. Again, if you want to email me to flores@jesuitnola.org. Okay, guys, so we're going to turn it back to the main page. So that's going to be 10.1 for tomorrow, and I will see you in the next one.